Yes, Kashyap. So, addition, yes, it is easy, but we are going to learn a new method of addition. Okay, it will be new to you. All right. So this addition is called the thing that the topic is the name that is given to this type of addition is dropping tens method. Okay, so this method is addition by dropping tens method. All right. So
Yes.
see, how is it different from the traditional method that we use? So we'll start with one digit numbers first. All right, addition of one digit numbers first. We'll see that how this method works. All right. So see, for example, if you have these numbers, say this is a set of numbers that you have to add 4, 7, 3, 6, 9, 6, and 8. Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
also these are smaller numbers, like you can also add it like in your hands also, isn't it? But this
Yes, ma'am.
method is, yeah, this method will be useful when the numbers will be, bigger, 3 digit or 4 digit numbers will be there.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
yeah, and maybe 8 or 9 numbers of 4 digit or 3 digit will be there. Then this method will then you'll find it more efficient. So because right, we'll start with the one digit only. You might find it easy, but let's see how it works. Okay. So first of all, see if you have to add these numbers. Okay. So what do we do? The first thing, first of all, we'll write these numbers in a line. Vertically, we'll write these numbers in a line. That is why this type of addition is also known as line addition. Dropping tens method is also the name. We also call it line addition. So what we'll do, the first thing we'll write all these numbers, all these digits in a line, a vertical line, like I have written here. Okay, in all of these examples also you can see, we'll write the numbers in a line. Next thing what we have to do, we start adding the numbers. We can either start from the topmost number or we can start from the lowermost number. That's our wish. At the end, answer will be the same.
But I
O-
have a habit of starting topmost.
Okay, so you can start from the topmost also. Okay,
Oh,
it's the same. I'll tell you both the ways. Okay,
oh,
so this particular example that I have already solved, actually, this one for you. In this, I have taken the like I have started from the bottom. So this one we can start from the bottom. Otherwise, we'll see both the ways. Okay, we'll see
yes.
both the. Now, what we have to do? See, as the name of the method tells us, dropping tens. Dropping tens means what, beta? When we'll start adding, for example, in this particular question, if we start adding from the lowermost number, that is 8. Okay, we'll go upwards. First, what we'll do? 8 plus 6. And like this only we go.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
and this, yeah. Like this only we have to go. Just the difference is like when we will be adding these digits, these numbers, whenever we get a sum that is 10 or greater than 10, then there we have to stop. At that point we have to stop. And for every that sum, we'll put a dash like I have put here. We'll put a dash above that number. When will we do that? Whenever the sum that we'll get will be 10 or more than 10. That is why it is the name says dropping tens. That means we have to drop a 10. Whenever we get a sum,
10 means.
drop 10 means that we have to leave the addition, like the addition that we are doing, we have to leave the addition there at that point whenever 10 comes. So at every point where I have drawn lines like this, can you see lines like these?
Yes, ma'am.
These lines means I've reached 10 while calculating the sum. Okay, I'll tell you with the help of this example and then you'll get to it. Okay, for example, see here. I started adding from 8 here. Okay, 8 plus 6. How much is 8 plus 6? Can you tell me?
8 plus 6.
Yes.
14.
14. Yes. So see, 14 is greater than 10, no? Yes, it is greater than 10.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So since 14 is greater than 10, what we'll do, we'll put a dash over here, one thing, okay? And how much is it is greater than 4? Like 14 is how much greater than 4?
4 times.
4 times, yeah? So we'll write plus 4 over here. ठीक है जितना भी greater होगा 10 से that number the sum that we have got we'll write it in front of the line as plus. ठीक है
Okay,
now
ma'am.
how we'll proceed now. Forget about 14 now. We were getting 14, no? Forget about 14. We'll start from the starting, like we'll forget 14. We'll start from 4 now. Now we'll add 4 and what is the next number that we have? 9.
9.
Yes. So 4 plus 9 again, when we'll do 4 plus 9, what will you get? Sorry, tell me again.
13.
13, that's correct. Now you see 13 is also greater than 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how much greater?
3 times.
3, yes. So again what we'll do, we'll put a
Plus
dash.
3.
Yeah, we'll put a dash. This dash is for a 10. You know, dash means a 10 and it is 3. 13 is 3 greater than 10. So again we'll put plus 3 over here. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Now what we'll
Yes,
do,
ma'am.
we'll again, yeah, we'll go like this now. Again, now this 3 plus, which is the next number that we have?
6.
6. Yeah. 3 plus 6 is
9.
9. So 9, it is still less than 10, no?
Yes.
If the number is coming less than 10, we'll continue the addition. After this, we have the number 3. So we were getting 3 plus 6, 9. Now 9 plus 3.
9 plus
3. See, how come 9 plus 3? See again, till here we did, no? 13 was coming, we have put plus 3 over here, right? So this 3 plus 6 gives us 9. Then again 9 plus 3 will give us how much? 9 plus 3?
9 plus 3. 13.
12. 9 plus 3, 10, 11 and 12. 12. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Na? We are getting 12. So again now 12 is greater than 10.
Ma'am, this sum is little confusing.
Okay, so for the starting, you'll find it confusing. Not to worry. Let's go by the flow. Okay, when we'll solve some of these examples, okay, then you'll be comfortable with it.
Okay.
Okay, for the starting, see, whenever you learn any new method, it feels a little confusing. Every time it's the same, isn't it? But
Yes.
when you practice this, you'll find it easy then. Let me complete this first. So we were getting 12 over here. 12 is greater than 10. So for every 10, we put a line like this. And 12 is 2 greater than 10, isn't it? 12
Yes.
is 2 greater than 10. So we'll put a plus 2 over here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 2 over here. Then now what we'll do? We'll add this 2 to the next number that we have, that is 7. 2 plus 7,
2 plus 7. 9.
9. Yes. 9 is still less than 10. So we'll continue with the addition. 9 plus, what's the next number that we have? 4. 9
4.
plus 4,
13.
13, yes. So again 13 is 3 more than 10, right? So for 10, we'll put a line, and since it was 13, it was 3 more than 10, so we'll put a plus 3 over here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we did, we started with the lowermost number. We can start from the uppermost also. So for this one, we started with the lowermost number. We started adding. जहाँ पर भी we were getting a 10, ठीक है, और more
Yes.
than 10, जहाँ पर भी 10 या more than 10 सम आया, we put a dash, and जितना वो 10 से बड़ा है नंबर, है ना, that number, howsoever it is more than 10, that number we'll write here in plus, say plus 4 plus,
Yes, ma'am.
and we continue to add now from that particular number which is given in plus here. ठीक है? After we have completed this process, let me erase these. See, after we have completed this addition process, we'll see with what number we are left at the top now. We were getting 13, so we at the very top we put a dash and plus 3 we have written. So now what we'll do, we are left with plus 3 no. So at the units place, it will come directly 3. Okay, whatever is the
Yes,
digit
ma'am.
left at the end, it is 3. Now what is the use of putting these dash over here? Now we will count how many like how many lines we have drawn. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. 4 lines we have drawn. So
Yes,
this 4, yeah, so this 4 becomes the number at the tens place. The total number of lines that we have drawn, it becomes the number at the tens place. So our answer becomes 43. So in this type of reaction, in this type of method, what is there? We don't need to, put carry. हमें कैरी नहीं लेना पड़ता, जैसे हम एडिशन में लेते हैं ना, बिगर नंबर्स होते हैं, कैरी लेते हैं, बहुत
ma'am.
ज्यादा हम ऐड, वी कीप ऑन एडिंग एडिंग एडिंग, एंड समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि हम ऐड करते करते वी फॉरगेट, ओ वेयर वर वी when there are larger numbers, so that is why in like in those questions only this type of method is useful, where you have larger numbers, larger calculations होती है, आप calculate करते हो, we forget in between that where were we, so it's
Yes.
easy, keep on adding wherever you get a sum that is 10 or uh, more than 10, put a line, that line itself denotes that okay, till here 10 has come. Okay, this line that we are drawing, no, what does it mean? It means that this line means till 10 we have come, and now again we follow the same pattern.
Yes.
Okay, let's
Ma'am,
try some of these questions. Yes, Vidya, tell me.
can you explain me again this?
Yes, let's do the next question like
Yes.
this only, है ना? They're the same method,
Okay.
then maybe you'll get it better. Chalo. For example, we are doing this. Actually, it's always better to start from the bottom only. Not necessary though. You can start from the top also, whatever, like howsoever you like it. Okay. So, okay. So from where you want to start? Tell me, from the bottom or from the top?
Top, ma'am.
Okay, chal. So when we start adding from the top, we'll see what numbers we'll get. Okay. So first of all, we'll start with 6. So 6 plus 8. First of all, we'll do 6 plus 8.
6 plus 8. Ma'am, 14.
14, that's correct. Now 14, see 14 is greater than 10,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And it is how much greater?
4
4 greater, no? So what we'll do? We'll
plus
put
4.
a line. Yes, we'll put a line. This line means till 10 we have reached. and 10 के बाद बेटा 4 more, so plus 4 we'll do,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Yes. Next, now forget 14. We'll again start from 4
70.
now. Not 7, but 4. This thing we don't have to skip. We cannot neglect this 4.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with a number which was कि जितना ऊपर था 10 से. ठीक है, we'll start with 4 now. So 4 plus what's the next number?
7.
7. 4 plus 7 gives us
11.
11. Correct. Now again, if we see 11, 11 is greater than 10, and how much greater?
1.
1 greater. So what we'll do? For a
Plus
10,
1.
we'll draw a line. Yes, for
Then
10, we'll
we
draw.
will write plus 1.
Yes, plus 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, now we'll add, look at the screen. Yeah, now we'll add this one and which number?
Plus 4.
Yes, 1 plus
5.
4, 5. Then 5, अभी it is still less than 10 ना, तो अभी हम we'll keep on adding जब तक, हम कब तक add करते रहेंगे जब तक we don't get either a 10 or more than 10. ठीक है? So 4 we have got, okay, 1 plus 4, 5. Then 5 plus 3,
8.
8. It is still less than 10. We'll add 8 plus 5,
13.
13. Very good. So 13 is greater than 10 and
3.
3 greater than 10. Yes. So we'll put a line. This is for 10 and plus 3 because 13 is 3 more than 10. So plus 3
My
will do.
God.
Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we'll add?
3 plus 9.
Yes. 3 plus 9. It is
12.
12. That's correct. 12 is again more than 10 and how much more? 2 more than, isn't it?
2.
Yes. So 9 plus 3, 12. So for 12, we'll draw a line and plus 2 over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next 2
2 plus
plus,
2.
yeah, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is less than 10. We don't have any digits left now. So
Yes.
directly what we'll write? We'll
4.
write 4 over here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So in the units place, it will be 4. Now what will come in the tens place? Can you tell me? In the tens
4.
place? Yes. Why so? Because we
Because
have
of
4 number of,
4 number of lines.
yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll write 4 over here. So our answer will be 44.
44.
Right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think now you found it a little easier.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see the next one.
Ma'am, can I
Let's
do
see
next
the,
one?
yes, yes.
Ma'am, the answer is 49.
49 is coming. Let's see. I'll write your answer here. Now you check whether you have also done it the same or not. You started from the top.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so keep on telling me the steps. So first of all, you must have done 4 plus 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how much it was?
Ma'am, 12, ma'am, I got.
12. Okay, so you must have put a line here and plus 2.
Yes, ma'am, I put it.
Okay, then you must have added 2 with 7.
Plus 7.
Yeah, it was 9. 2 plus 7 is 9, right? Then 9 plus 9, because why we are adding this 9? Because still 9 is lesser than 10. So we'll add this 9 also. 2 plus 7, 9, and 9 plus 9,
One second,
18.
ma'am. 1 second.
Is this what you have done?
One
Or have
second.
you done some mistake here? Yeah,
1 second.
just check it again.
No, ma'am, it is correct, but I down I got 10, so I put it 1 0.
Okay, down you've got 10. Okay, okay. See, now that there you have to follow something else. I'll tell you now. See, if you're getting a 0, that's correct. You're getting 10, no? So for 10, what we do? For 10, we always draw a line, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So for 10, you'll just draw a line and nothing in plus. Nothing you will have to write in plus because for 10 only we draw a line. So we'll not write a 10. For 10, as I told you, for 10, we always draw a line. है ना हमें जो line draw करते हैं this line we draw for a 10 and plus में we write that number which is that much greater than 10, isn't it?
There is
So you have,
3.
yeah, so you have done it correctly. So see what we'll do now. I'll tell you the addition, you've done it correctly. Just I'll tell you how we will write the final answer. Okay, just look here. Now it was coming till here we have done 18 was coming. Look here better. So we'll draw a line and plus 8
Yes,
we'll write, right?
yes, ma'am.
Then we'll do 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 is 4 greater than,
And then plus 4.
yeah. So we'll put a dash and plus 4 for 14, right? Then again, we'll add 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 1, 10. So as I told you, for every 10, we draw a line, right? So now that means we have drawn line. We don't have any digit left now. So what we'll do, we'll put a 0. Simply. You don't have to
Only
leave it.
0.
Yes, only 0. When will we put only 0? When we'll get यहाँ पर जब there will be no number here in plus. ठीक है? Because our sum ended in a 10 only, na? So that is why we'll only write 0. And what about the tens place? In the tens place, we'll follow the same. We'll count the number of lines now. 1, 2,
And it is 4.
3,
40.
yes, 4. Now it is 4, so answer will be 40.
40.
Got it? So whenever we are getting exact 10 as our sum, so what do? We put a 0 only. And for the tens place, we'll just count the number of lines that we have drawn. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so your answer was correct. That is 40. Okay, now try for this one.
Okay. Ma'am, 50.
50. Yes, now that's correct. Let me again do it. So we'll start with the 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. We'll put a line, put a dash for a 10 and plus 1. Then 1 plus 8 is 9. We'll again keep on adding. 9 plus 7, 16. For 16, we'll put a line for 10 and plus 6. Just check my answer also, Rishiv. Am I doing it correctly or not?
Yes, ma'am, you're doing correct.
6 plus 9, again 15, right? Is that what you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so 15, for 15, it is 5 greater than
5.
10. Put the 5, yes, that's correct. Again, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12.
12.
Yes, so we put a dash.
Dash and plus 2.
That's correct. Next,
Then it will come 10.
yes, 2 plus 6,
Yeah.
8, and 2 plus 2, 10. That's very good. So,
And dash, then 0, then 5.
very good. So, we'll count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 lines. So, answer will be 50.
50.
Very good. Now, you have understood it.
Yes.
Let's do one question more.
Are you able to do questions? Yes. Yes.
Try this, Kashiv.
Okay. 149.
Yes, very nice. That's correct. I'll do it. You just check again. Okay, your answer is correct anyways. So we'll start. You have started from the top, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 2, 2 plus 7, 9. Yes, 9 is still, it is lesser than 10. We'll continue adding. 9 plus 6, 15, right?
Ma'am, dash then plus 5.
Yes, dash 10 plus 5. Then 5 plus 4, 9. And 9 plus 8. Tell me.
17.
17. Yes. So We'll put a dash and
plus 7.
yes, that's correct. Then again 7 and
7 plus 7, 14.
yes,
Dash plus 4.
correct. Then 4 plus 9,
1 minute.
4 plus 9, 13.
1 second. 12.
No, check again. Just look in your copy what you have written. You have the answer you have got is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
You have got the final answer correct. So what you have written for 9 plus 4, it should be
Yes.
13, no? Yes, yes.
Just send us the picture of Krishif, send us the picture of this one, okay? After the class. Just ask your mother to take the picture and send us. Right?
Only problem.
Is it required or not?
Actually not required, sir, but
Acha,
yeah,
not
just for our knowledge, you can send it
yes,
just to
yes,
see
yes.
that how you are solving it. So of all the questions that we have done today.
Photo भेजो.
Ah, right. Sure. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow.
हो गया. Photo भेजो.
Yeah, that my answer is correct just for the reference that whether like he's following the process or not.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Chalo,
Okay,
Krishna.
Krishif. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Oh, is it done?
Yes, ma'am. It was till 5.
Okay, but it was 1 hour class, no, sir?
No, we started with 45 minutes for some days.
Okay, is it? Okay.
Yeah. We will make it 1 hour soon.
Okay, all right.
Maybe next week we can make it 1 hour.
Yeah, we can do that. We
Yeah.
can start by 4 or so.
Maybe
and
like
finish
4.
at
Yeah,
11.
we will start at 4, ma'am. Right?
Yeah, we'll do that.
We will start at 4. Tomorrow
Yes,
also we'll make it
yes.
50. Pallavi, you can stop the recording. Tomorrow also we'll make it 45.